y'all. Sorry I'm a few minutes late. I was trying to get everything ready and I was running a few minutes late from my last appointment and I had to run by Hobby Lobby really quick. So if the red light is in the upper corner, we're live. If not, you're watching the replay. Hashtag replay. I'm trying to finish up a few things here. I did get all the new foils. I'm sure y'all probably saw. And our new little thing that's going to be available soon. Hey, Steph Day. Hey, Erica and Lauren and Pam and Meg. What's up? Hey, Mama Molly. Hey, Miranda and Matrina and Sarah and Miss Ruth. What's up? Hey, Tina. Hey, Celeste. Hope your day is going better than mine. The press showed up and it's junk. They sent you a bad one and won't turn on and it's bent. And there was even a tag inside saying it was bent. What, Erica? That's the craziest thing I've ever heard. Like, why would they send you a thing saying that it's bent? Why would they even send it if they knew it was bent when they sent it to you? That's crazy. What's up, Cindy Lulu? Y'all, it's Cindy's birthday today. Whoop, whoop. And she's had no power. So she couldn't get her car out of the garage because she didn't have power to go anywhere today. So she says, I think I'm just going to go take a nap because I can't do anything. You're waiting for your text that they're back in size. I know. Look, and they just dropped a whole bunch of stuff this week. I'm not even going on there and looking. But I sent a bunch of stuff back, so I got a big credit. So, hey, Joel, you want to do facials when I visit with you and Cindy? Yes, we will totally get them all scheduled. And I love it. Like, those hydrofacials, it feels so good. And would y'all like to see me do a project with this new deep pore epoxy from Counterculture? And you can imagine all the things that I would want to do with it. Yes, I mean to use UV and I keep forgetting I have some. I know, right? Every time I watch you, my wallet takes a hit. I know, right? Look at Trippy, y'all. Look at that. It is freaking trippy. That now you can write on these foils to put them on the cup. So I've been playing with it today. That's what I use the stencils for, Steph Day. And you put the foil on there and you basically can write with it. So I did my name. You can do, if you want to do veining, like you're marbling, little hearts. I kind of just did like a marbling over this. And then I took the stencil and laid it down. And so I just took this stencil and like, okay, so this is how it goes, y'all. I know, see, I just slipped this right in here. Y'all weren't prepared for this, were y'all? So you just put it on the cup. I taped it down so it wouldn't move. I took my little stencil and I just laid it on here. But see how this is? I thought these paper ones would work better. Like maybe just to lay on the cup flat. That's what my thought was. So easier. So like literally you just take it, put it over the cup, and you literally just write on here, y'all. Is this not cray cray? Okay, so Cindy's gonna have, yeah, she is gonna be, yeah, Mom, I sent the picture to you on accident. I was trying to send it to Cindy when I started playing with it. I know, right? Okay. So I knew y'all were gonna love this. So yes, soft launch Sunday night along with the other color foils. She will have these. I'm gonna show y'all the kit in just a minute. So like literally you see I just did the outline and then I'm kind of just rubbing this in. It's gonna come with a kit that has this in it and then 3 different size tips depending on how big you want. I'm trying to get it on my hair so y'all can kind of see how it is. And you like literally just press it down. Is this not cray cray, y'all? Like, I am just blown the freak away, okay? And then I'm gonna show y'all something here in just a second too. So like, you see I just kind of took that little thing, colored it on the cup. I didn't do a very good job, but look, see the stencil? Like, it just transfers it right on there. So you're gonna have, the kit's gonna come with 3 different size tips, the pen, and then there's gonna be 3 foils. So this is one of them. And then mine, the one that I have, this is the only one. It's like I'm trying to find the little roll here. Yep, so it'll come with 3 little rolls. It'll have this rainbow one. It'll have a silver and a gold as well. So all 3 of those. But then on top of that, these foils you can use with it. You will not be able to use all foils with this. You will be able to use Trippy, you will be able to use Rainbow Dash, and you will be able to use Frozen with it. And as we find out, and Cindy finds out what other ones you can use, I'm sure she'll have them like on the website. But so the pack will come pin, 3 different sizes, and these just pull off. Like, it's hot right now, so I'm not gonna pull it off and show y'all, but I'll turn it off in a minute and show y'all. So it'll come with the pin, the 3 different ends, and then 3 of these. The rainbow, and whiteout. Yes, you can use whiteout too. Sorry, thank you, Cindy. Hey, Valerie. So Trippy, Rainbow Dash, Frozen, and whiteout can all be used with it as well if you have those. Cindy wrote me a sweet little note. So look, I got cardstock too. Like, this is the same thing. You can do like little notes and stuff. Like, she wrote this using this pen and just put the foils. I think this Trippy or Dash. It looks like Trippy or Dash. I can't tell which one it is, Cindy. And then literally you just put it down there and you just write on it. And voila, there you go. Transfer to foils. So if you could do it to cardstock, she said, why can't you do it to a tumbler? I said, well, we're gonna order some up and try. And so she found the foils, and yeah, so you can kind of see, like, it just transfers it right on there. And this was just like a cup, but like, look, y'all. Okay, so like, how this cup has the marbling and stuff. I know it's holographic and it's hard to see, but just imagine, like, I mean, being able to do that now with this, with your foils. And then, so I did you can see I just did the leopard spots, like with my stencil here. And it didn't take very much time. I was just trying to make sure. Hard the pressure, the bolder the line. There you go. How long is the cord? So it actually comes like this. It plugs into a USB. So how much? Oh gosh, $31 for the kit, I believe. Is that right, Cindy? Don't quote me. Y'all don't like 100% quote me, but you have to sign the bottom. Yes, right. So now you can sign the bottom of your cups. So I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna get a new. Let's do another. Let me do. Let's try Trippy. Or you know what? Let me do the Frozen because I haven't tried that one. So super. I know, $30.99. Yes. So I was gonna say, I can probably tell y'all. And like, you plug it into the little thing, and then see, they just come out at the end. So these are the little ends right here. There's one. I'm gonna try to put like where y'all can see this, like that width, and then this is the smallest one, and then I've been using the middle size one. So this is only for heat transfer foils. So yeah, so you can use the Frozen ones. You can use Trippy, Rainbow Dash, and Whiteout, and then the 3 will come in here. The 3 the silver, gold, and then there'll be a rainbow one that came in here. So, are y'all excited? Yes, you can personalize everything. You can sign everything. I mean, I still like my little doodle, my Mizzy's Doodles, little tags, but I do love this. So, let's see. Let me use the Frozen. We're going to put this on the bottom of the cup. And, why can I not find my little... It does get really hot because, y'all, I wasn't sure how long it took to warm up. And you touch that baby and you're going to know real fast how long. It don't take very long to warm up either. I guess I can measure the cord to tell y'all how long the cord is. Will there be a wait list for the pins if we don't get one Sunday? I would say if you don't get one Sunday, Cindy will have more coming, I'm sure. The cord is, I've got it stretched out, is 38 inches long. So much use special brands of foils. I promise I will have lots more. I just wanted to have a soft launch to see if y'all love it. Yes. So that's why I kept telling y'all, soft launch. There's not very many available. But y'all go ahead and tell her to freaking order more because y'all are going to want them. You think someone asked and I missed, how much is the little kit? $30.99 for the kit. Which is good, y'all. Like, I mean, like, literally, order more. Cindy, yeah, if we do love it. I knew y'all would love them. I know, wait a minute. Okay, I got to tape. This is the only thing I tried to do it earlier, and it does work better if you just take a little bit of tape to, like, hold it in place. Everybody says order more, order more, order more. I know. Don't you think she needs to order more? I think she needs to have lots of these because I think everybody's going to want one. I think everybody's going to want one. The bottom of this cup is not very smooth. This is my concern here with this one. Yeah, I'm not doing a very good job here. But you can see I did it really fast. But like, yeah, you just put your little thing on there. And I'm not doing it very, I'm going to do the rainbow. I want my rainbow. I want Kelly on here with a rainbow. I have horrible handwriting too, y'all. And the bottom of that, look, you can just sign. So, just so I could play, I did get some cardstock. Yes, Cindy's, yes, heat transfer pen. So, let's see here. If I put this on there. You can open up a pre-order to gauge interest and leave the pre-order open until next Sunday. There you go. That's a good idea, Cindy. I know you love those pre-orders, don't you? Look how cute, y'all. Okay, let's find, I want to try Trippy now, too. Wait a minute. Where's my, oh, I guess I used that on the cat scratch sheet. You'll post a video of you using it and show y'all. What are you trying to say? I'm not doing a very good job of showing them, Cindy? Is that what you're telling me? She did write that note and it was really cool. I'm gonna cut a big piece of Trippy and put it on here and show them, y'all. I know she doesn't. Where can we get this? You will be able to get it at Southern Belle Glitter Sunday night when all the foils launch. 7 p.m. Central Time. Is that what you told me? No, that's not what I said. That is what you were saying, Heifer. You were saying you're not doing a very good job of showing them, so I'm going to have to show them how it's done. I've got to run pick up the grandkid. Well, have a good evening, Wanda. How do I get into your group? Matrina, you're not in the Southern Belle Glitter group, Matrina. What? Okay, so since she wrote a big thing, now she's going to make me do it, like. She just writes neat. And I don't. That's what she's probably saying. Look. So I just put, I love my Dixie Darlings. But look how cute it is that it like has the color shift of it too. Always you stop that woman. I was just saying I will post one over my group and share it to yours too. I'm just joking with you. How many will launch and the names of them? Lisa, are you mean all the foils? That's what I was kind of going through today. We've got Safari. I don't know all the names. Safari, Rattled, Pistol, Cobra, Annie, Trippy, and then we're still going through them. And then this is Frozen right here that I'm playing with. Everything Kelly has will launch on Sunday. You can find the brand new listed under new foils. Will it show up on white cardstock too? Yeah, girl. I probably don't have spray painted. So it will go over, well, y'all can't see that. Hold on. Let me just do it right here. It will go over the look at that over the foils right there. Can y'all see that? Like, see, it goes over the foil over. Hold on. Look how it goes over the foils. Can y'all see that? Y'all, look. Isn't that fun? Okay. Kelly's brain is in overdrive. That's why, yeah, my brain is in overdrive. So this is a pen that is launching at Southern Belle Glitter Sunday night, and it's a heated foil pen. So it's plugged in, it heats up, it's got 3 different attachments. It comes with 3 different color foils, rainbows, gold, and silver, and it's gonna be $30.99. I know, like, I'm trying to think of all the things. I don't want to use it on a sheet of paper, I want to use it on a cup. That's what I was sitting here thinking. Like, my brain's always in overdrive, but it's really in overdrive right now for sure. You are very right. Okay, so that is the hollow, what is this called? Frozen. Look, little heart right over the, y'all. So that's what I was saying about these little stencils, or even if you just like, I mean, you can sign them. You should sign everybody should sign their cups now. Every one of them, the bottoms. Like at least, even if you use the tags. Like say on that one, this is an old cup too, y'all. But if it had a flat bottom and you didn't want to put that in there, then you just sign it. This is why I didn't take this out of this box, y'all, because I've had mine here for 2 weeks, and I was like, nope, because I'm gonna be freaking tempted if I take it out. Everybody should be signing their cups now. Look how easy that is. And you can draw hearts and stars and rainbows and more.